Hi class, today's question is which of the following sequences of hybridization, geometry and magnetic nature are correct for the given coordination compounds? Number A, NiCl4 2 minus sp3 tetrahedral paramagnetic. Is it correct or not? We will be checking. So what is the oxidation state of Ni in NiCl4? It is +2. If it is +2, then what will be the configuration in d orbital? That is 3d8. Cl minus is a weak ligand, means it will not able to induce pairing. If it is not pairing, then it will be 4 coordinate weak field, like then 4 coordinate weak field, it will give what? It will be giving tetrahedral and sp3 hybridization. As there is total unpaired electron is 2, so it will be paramagnetic. So number 1 is correct. Next, NiNH3 whole 6 2 plus sp3d2 octahedral paramagnetic. NiNH3 whole 6 2 plus. So here is also Ni is 2 plus, so it will be 3d8. NH3 is a moderate ligand filled. Okay, moderate ligand means which is not very weak and which is not as strong as CO or Cn. It is in between. Okay, means in some cases it can induce pairing. In some strong metals it will not able to induce the pairing. Okay, so here it will be 6 coordinate complex. 6 coordinate means it will be octahedral. So outer orbital will be here involved, as it will not able to induce pairing in case of Ni, and the hybridization then it will be sp3d2. Two unpaired electrons, so it will be paramagnetic, octahedral and paramagnetic. Next is NiCO4. CO is same way, CO is neutral, so that's why Ni oxidation state is 0. If it is so, then it's Ni 3d8 4s2. But hybridization we will be coming after this, because CO is a strong field ligand. It is very strong. Okay, it will always gonna induce pairing. So hybridization becomes sp3. If it is sp3 means it is tetrahedral geometry. A structure will be tetrahedral, as it is paired low spin, so it will be diamagnetic. Next, NiCN whole 4 2 minus. Ni will be +2, Plus 2 means it will have 3d8, right? Cn minus is also a very strong filled ligand. So hybridization, it will cause pairing of the system. So hybridization will be DsP2. Now it is a DsP2, so geometry will be square planar and the magnetic nature will be diamagnetic. So A, B and D are correct, as we have already seen NiCSO4 will be diamagnetic, but it has been given as paramagnetic. That is not a correct option. A, B, D only. So correct option will be number 4. Thank you, class. Please like, share and subscribe.